Today start the new chemical reaction sulfonation of phenol. Look here, the first sulfonation of phenol, simple. What is the this is the phenol means H2SO4 as like HO, SO3H. Look here, the reaction in which a hydrogen atom, benzene ring of phenol, a hydrogen atom, benzene ring of phenol is replaced by sulfonic acid of a sulfuric acid. Sulfonic acid group of a sulfuric acid. This reaction is called as a sulfonation of phenol. Simple. Look here, the reaction in which a hydrogen atom of benzene of phenol is replaced by sulfonic acid group of a sulfuric acid. This reaction is called as a sulfonation of phenol. Look here, second point. Simple. Look here, a product of the sulfonation reaction. The product of sulfonation reaction depends upon the temperature. Either a low temperature or high temperature. Either a low temperature or high temperature. The product of the sulfonation of phenol depends upon temperature. Either a low temperature or a high temperature. Look here, third point. It is electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction. It is electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction. Look here, there are two types of reactions. You know, the first reaction with concentrated. You know, reaction with concentrated A. Reaction with concentrated H2SO4 at low temperature. At low temperature means room temperature or 293 Kelvin. 293 Kelvin. Actually 298 Kelvin. Actually 298 Kelvin. But in books 293 Kelvin. Look here. Look here, simple reaction here. Phenol. Phenol is reacted with concentrated H2SO4. Okay, HOSO3H, concentrated H2SO4. Room temperature means low temperature 293 Kelvin. Look here, in this reaction, a H is replaced by SO3H means sulfonic acid group. Sulfonic acid group. You know, product here, product like this. OH. Correct? SO3H plus H2O. Name of the compound orthophenol, sulfonic acid, or IUPAC names 2-hydroxy benzene sulfonic acid. Look here, sulfonic acid, you know, like this. Sulfonic acid, correct? Look here, at a low temperature, product is a ortho position. Repeat reaction, phenol is reacted with a concentrated H2SO4 at 293 Kelvin temperature or room temperature. It gives orthophenol sulfonic acid. Look here, a reaction with concentrated H2SO4 at low temperature. Everybody, a second reaction, reaction with concentrated H2SO4 at high temperature. Here high temperature means 373 Kelvin. 373 Kelvin. Okay, look here. Simple. Correct? Yes. Look here, phenol is reacted with a concentrated H2SO4. High temperature means temperature, all of you, a 373 Kelvin. 373 Kelvin. It gives like this, SO3H. Name of the compound, paraphenol sulfonic acid. Okay, or a IUPAC name of this compound, or next 4-hydroxy benzene sulfonic acid. Look here, simple, phenol is reacted with concentrated H2SO4 at high temperature means a 373 Kelvin. It gives a paraphenol sulfonic acid. Look here, at low temperature, product is a ortho position. At high temperature, product is a para position. Reaction is electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction. Correct? A complete a sulfonation of phenol. Correct? Okay? Thank you.